Guys, where's the chicken? Right there. So, hey guys, we're back with another video. There's a chicken here, and it's very curious. So we're gonna go see him. Whew. He was chasing me though, so I don't know where he went. Tell me if you guys see him, if you guys good memory, because I really can't see him. You can see people walking over there. Someone's here. See my brother down there. It's over there, guys. Past this pole. There he is. There's my brother. So, yeah. And we're checking on the chicken tomorrow. And hopefully he's still there. Because the chicken doesn't come out until 7 in the morning. So, in the morning, I don't really get to wake up. And I wake up, but I don't really get to go outside. I used to do that on some roads. That's cool. A little design right there that they put. And I got a pro scooter right now. And we're in the Scaries place. What's this place? It's like they're having a sale. Do you see this? Okay, enough of that fun news. Don't you see that they're having a sale? Hold up. Let me get my wrist. Sure. Okay. It looks like a sale's going on. If they do have one, I will get something. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's go back. See, that's Roman over there. What kind of place is this? I'm the videotaper right now. So come on, brother. We're going to see what people always want to see. A chicken. And hold up. It's like he doesn't really know yeah. So here we go. We're running right now. And so see that I'm posting over here for Halloween. But there he is. He's looking for it. And this is where chicken is. Let's go here. Chicken. So, put your. So we got our sharp beak face. Let's see what this sound. So, Jace, what are we going to be singing today?
I'm going to sing.
So, we're going to be singing Superfly People? How are we going to be singing Superfly People? So, let's go over here to see the chicken. Look at this dude.
The first thing is Jace Ben with his perfect down scooter when he does it, just like, ooh.
Pah, that was only a jump. Can't you do something better? Oh, he flipped that. Bottom one. Oh, I don't know if you guys see him. He flipped the bottom one. A la foto, la lindo.
Okay, let me see.
It's slow. It's slow, baby. No super fly. No super fly. Oh, this boy's moving like a wave.
And it goes to the ground like Superfly. It does it home like good when she sees it.
I don't know if you guys see the chicken back there.
Let me show you how to face
Let's look at the chicken.
When I hold me like a big
Look at the chicken. I don't know if you guys see
but you still naked, but the homie lanky. Hey, on my list, but they ain't been hired.
Do you see the chicken? Looks like this.
I got all this stupid. You better not repeat this. Did you hear about the reason? Oh my gosh, man, shut. You got so freaking open like little. You don't want to taste me. If you taste me, you'll go to the beat.
No, he's just sucking.
Yeah, homie.